Oh no! 2 has gone to the dark side! Stop it! You're gonna clog the toilet! Oh no! Maybe we can save them. Add some colored paints. Some shaving cream. Glitter. Wow! They've made one big A! Let's give 2 a peace offering. Wait, what's she doing with that lip balm? Oh, she's turned our heart into a pimple. Make those pimples with plenty of pus. Speaking of slime, it's great for crafts. Pour some into a glass dish. And melt some wax on top. You can write whatever you want. But the real fun is cracking the wax. At least until you get your hands on the slime beneath. Ooh, floral foam! It really leaves an impression. So let's add some glitter on top. And then cut out some slices. They slide right out, too. Why not also make a few scoops? While we're at it, I'd like a corner piece. Wow, you've made an M! And now you've made a mess. Sand's fun, and so are blocks. So, let's combine the 2. We can use them to make numbers. The secret ingredient is glitter. Turn it over and get digging. Sure could use a shovel. It's a giant 4 candle. Don't forget to make a wish. You've got a little something. Ooh, Nano tape! Let's make something with it. It's tea! Just add glitter. And a face wouldn't hurt. Ooh, he's squishy. Hey, careful! You just know that was planned. Well, can't waste good glue. PVA glue. Especially when you can add toppings. Now let's add some water. And really get your hands in there. Now we've got some really stretchy slime. Just don't stretch it too thin. Oh, 2's got a dog. And an interesting chew toy. Come on, play nice. You're breaking his heart. A can play that game too, with this plush number. Don't worry, she'll patch him back up. But with some big, oozing blisters. Well, let's get popping. Probably should wash your hands. Brushing your teeth is important too. But this watermelon needs extra help. Ooh, eyes don't go in there. Let's brush. And start digging through all of that slime. Pretty soon, he'll be able to taste again. Oh, look, eh? 2 sent you a gift. Sorta. It's an ear. Let's clean it up and unclog it. Waiter, we've got a fly in our ear. Almost done with all that gunk. Just add some eardrops and a nice massage. Ooh, 2's got some squishy letters. Careful, you're squeezing them beyond recognition. Although something tells me that's the idea. In fact, we could just mash them all together. Not the best place to keep clay. But it's always fun to squeeze in a little sculpting. Let's feed these numbers to our bear. Add to the back of his head. And soon, pasta will come out. Who knew pasta could be so colorful?
Wow!
Ooh, look, 2's got some bubble wrap. They're already fun for popping, but we can fill them up with paint to make works of art. And now, we can get popping. Maybe you should be more careful. Or you can just start smashing. A's got the next best thing, a sandwich bag. Let's fill it up with foam, and we'll need a lot. Poke out an outline, like a number, and start squeezing. Oh, we can do better than that. Told ya. Ooh, a book? Is it a ghost story? No, it's F! You know, you two have a lot in common. Just get to know him on the inside. See, you've even got his numbers. Well, numbers aren't so tough either. Make some out of pop tubes. And give them a nice gypsum dip. Start bending, and they break free. Of course, when they're stretched out, they're number 1. I guess everyone loves donuts. Though the toppings are another story. Knowing 2, I'm starting to worry about those donuts. Oh no! You could have just picked off the letters. Poor A. It's hard to lose good donuts. But bread can be fun too. They're like little canvases. And wait until you toast them up. Crumble them up and grind them into breadcrumbs. Better yet, pound them into powder. Toilet paper is paper, hence the name. So I guess you could use it to write notes. And it's sealed with a heart on top. Do you think she wants to make peace? Just add water to find out. Well, we've got paper too, in cup form. Draw a number on top. And poke some holes in the end. That's one way to make those numbers cry. Oh no! It's an alphabet crime scene!
Ew. Hey.
It looks like foul play with a capital F.
Hey.
Either way, these letters need our help. To the Alphabet Hospital. Let's start with A. Let's see, enlarged belly, water breaking, and, yes, small letters inside you. Looks like A's going to be a mommy. Okay, you might feel a slight pinch. Happy birthday! Oh, having twins. Make that triplets. Congratulations! Aw, let's clean you up.
Ew.
And that's where lowercase letters come from. Uh-oh, looks like C's got cavities. Good thing you minored in dentistry. Now we just need some replacement teeth. Always good to put yourself in your work. Wow, C's got some serious canines. Oh, poor R. At least I think that's R. Let's fix up your eye. Your retina's wrecked. Much better. Now for that leg. This tube will pop it back into place. And a medical walking boot for the final touch. Poor P, you're practically in pieces. Don't worry, we'll patch you up. And for being such a pleasant patient, you've earned yourself a sticker. Pizza, the ultimate P word. Now let's finally foil that fiend. F, you need to face the facts. But maybe we can fix you up. Ooh, it's hot. Thank you, nurse. So that's what's causing you to act out. A candy heart for extra kindness. Now everyone's finally friends once more. Don't worry, every good doctor knows their ABCs. Writing's a different story. Let's check inside. Remember, don't eat things that aren't food. Well, at least cake's edible. Also, happy birthday. Here, this should help perk you up. And that's how you turn a B into a P. W. Wait, why? Oh, why? Also, who? And what? Well, I'm sure we can fix you up. Careful around the eyes. All 4 of them. Looking good. Let's just stitch you up. Much better. What would we do without W? First, let's give F a much-needed facial. And free our food friends from the freezer. Ooh, they don't look so good. Now that's what I call a banana split. Don't worry, we never leave a banana behind. Ah, much better. Though bread's still looking a little blue.